To enable Hey Google feature in OnePlus 13, first you will need to open a Google Play Store. Then in the search options, look for the Google Assistant app. As by default, if you try to enable it on this device, it doesn't work. You need to have a Google Assistant app. So when the app is downloaded, open it, and then you can switch to Google Assistant. Make sure you have it enabled, and then your Google Assistant will pop up. But we want to go for a Hey Google, so open your settings on this device and move to the Google service. And in all services, we can find Search Assistant and Voice. Then in Google Assistant, we can find Hey Google and Voice Match. That way you'll be able to enable it and then perform a setup where you need to speak what you can see on the screen, like, Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow?
Here are the top search results.
Sorry, my other phone just woke up. And etc. I'm not going to show you that entire process as it's pretty easy. All you have to do is repeat that. So that is basically everything.